Did you know that it's possible to record only one video in your language and then have it in other languages with subtitles? Wusstest du, dass es möglich ist, nur ein Video in deiner Sprache aufzunehmen und es dann mit Untertiteln in anderen Sprachen zu haben? Now, if you want to create video in other language, you go to 11labs.io. So you need to sign in. You go to Dubbing Studio, create new dub. So call it Spanish here and choose Spanish. I will select the video I recorded and create dub. Alright, now that we have translation to German, so I saved it here on the desktop. Now execute whisper with the name of the file, the language, and words per line 1. Okay, now I will go to DaVinci Resolve and I will bring here the video and subtitles in German. So here's my video. And here are subtitles. Thanks for watching. Just a quick tip. 11 Labs gives you 10,000 credits for free, which is enough to give it a try and dub your videos. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more content. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. See you in the next one.